Let's talk about motion detector or a PIR sensor. So when you order it from me, you'll get this one, a motion detector. It's very popular. It's a 501 series sensor, and it comes with detector itself, motion sensor itself, 3-wire extension, a 6-foot extension, so you can put it somewhere else. You can hide it very well. And an end, I will mark wires for you. So it's a 3 wires here, and it's V plus, S for signal, and G for ground. You can find the corresponding connections right here. So once again, V plus, S for signal, and ground. So what you have to do, get a small screwdriver, unscrew all the way. Probably going to be unscrewed because if you order it, it's been tested. And sometimes it doesn't go inside, just to make sure that is like a little bit open, so you can use that same screwdriver to get a little bit wider connection. And insert. So usually it's red one is a V plus going to the right side. Middle one, it's S for signal. So just watch this corresponding labels. Okay. Oops. And G for ground. Okay. So now a little trick, if you are not sure, if you never deal with a motion sensor before, tell you a little trick how it's working. When you first plugged in, it takes about good 3 to 5 minutes. I mean, get about maybe 3 minutes to set it up. So plug it in, plug your power. So when you unplug it, right, plug it in, plug your power, everything plugged in, plug your power. It's going to normal mode, so we go back. And takes about 3 minutes. So what happened, it's they have a photo sensor inside. It needs to be adjusted for ambient light. So it means when you plug it at night, it takes about 2-3 minutes to get adjusted. That's why when you plug it in and you want to use right away, you're going to be motion going on, but it's not activating. The reason is because it's not been adjusted properly yet. So leave it. So plug it in, make sure power on, leave it for 3 minutes, don't do anything. And what you have to do, and in the menu, if you're using motion sensor, you have to go through the menu. Sequential, whatever, you can pick your different modes. And last screen is gonna be, you're gonna use use motion sensor input, yes or no. We're gonna use yes, so we're gonna change to yes. Click select. So now you can see in the screen shows motion is waiting. Bottom also when the timeline shows waiting for the motion. So once again, if you have plugged it in and you are not getting any signal, not detecting signal, it means it's not been adjusted. When it's adjusted, when you motion, see, it shows detected. Now you have sequence start working. So it's been adjusted properly now. So just plug it in and leave it alone for about 3 minutes. Easiest way to check, because I have a status screen right here. Every time motion detected, you're gonna see, just pay attention to this one. Okay, there we go. So you can see it's motion no, now it's detected. So what happens is bouncing from the wall. So it's detected, no detection, detected. So once again, just pay attention for the motion right here. That's your motion detected. It's only activating your sequence when it's waiting for the motion. Okay, so now it's timer working. So it doesn't matter you gonna activate it or not. It means it's not gonna get interrupted until your sequence is completed. When sequence is completed, go back to the status screen waiting for the motion. But meanwhile, you can see its motion is working or not. You can see detection, getting detection. Okay, right here. So just once again, just pay attention. If you don't worry about if like, okay, I plug it in and no motion detected, just plug it in, get power, and leave it alone. And just remember, if you plug it at the daytime, it get adjusted to the daytime light. It means that at night it's going to be less sensitive because it's a less light at night. So if you're going to do for Halloween, for example, in the evening, plug this controller in the evening hours, and or the day before, leave it on all the time, because it's gonna get adjusted to the current lighting condition. And let me show another trick when you plug it in. So your motion sensor has adjustments right here, and it has a back panel. You can put 2 screws, you can use a double tape to glue it somewhere else. And once again, this is your main like a reflector. So what happened, it's getting almost 360-degree motion. If you limit that view, it will get motion only from this area. So what you can do, you can get like a small pipe, like a maybe a 3/4 inch small PVC pipe. Some people do like that, and glue it, just limit the motion. Some people using just duct tape, make a small window opening like that. So if you just want to point to just one direction, not getting false readings from other places. And has some adjustments here. So let's pop up back panel, right? It pops like that. And I'm gonna make a new case in the future, but meanwhile we're gonna use this case. So right here you're gonna see 3 adjustments. This one is jumper sitting in a single timer, so just leave it like that in the corner. And this one, it's a timer all the way to the left. What happened, because we need to just a single timer, we're not using delay, we need just look when you see motion detecting, when no motion, it goes off again. So that timer needs to be all the way to the left. And so please don't touch jumper, please do not touch timer. What you cannot do, you cannot touch sensitivity. That's your sensitivity. You can increase or decrease. So this is like usually when I'm shipping to my customer, it's sitting like somewhere like in a 3/4. So basically that's your minimum sensitivity, like maybe almost all the way to the half. So basically, if you need to increase sensitivity, you can push all the way up. So basically get more sensitive. This is like a less half sensitive. I just 3/4 like that. Timer all the way to the left counterclockwise. So don't touch timer, don't touch jumper. Plug it back. And just 1 second. Plug it back, get your rear panel. So what you can do, you can put 2 screws attached to the wall. And yeah, that's and this one only going one way because it have a side clips. I have 2 clips and 1 clip. Just remember, 2 clips on one side, 1 here. It's pretty very easy setup. Just push all the way in. So if it's in the wall, just like that, close it. So it's back to normal. And let me show you again. And so when you let me show what that means. So when you plug it in again, so now it's back to the with motion. Just see, like waiting for the motion, it's nothing happening because it takes about 2-3 minutes to get adjusted. See, it's still, it was just set up, just activated, but it's a false. It still shows no detection. So it takes about good 2-3 minutes. I would say 3 minutes to be safe. Let's see. Still not adjusted. So just takes a little bit time. Don't worry about sequence working because it was a false first trigger. We're just waiting for this motion. See, now it's detecting. So now its motion is working. See, read it. See, detecting. Detecting. So now it's motion sensor activated, it's working. Okay, thank you, bye bye.